Mbia mano sana mwanchu mulia vita seni kia Ndizi TV na kwa semere kwa namna kwa veri kugutwara obuligirilia obuya na ndingo kwa ligania SMS ya manganama yeli ndingo manye na raya veri kagokoleka na korua chingongo chansi inye chinsi unere etalikie ya mo umutinyo gatatu mwakwega wechiri bubere emerongebere na isato niko togo chengira litkolia basubati ase oboiko obense ase kaunti ya Homa Bay niko bagendete kuchengira litkelio ase University ya Tomboya nabagekera kwirana sorgo ngorwa Gusii nigo omunyakerugo bw'abantu bale no bolema Ntabo abolirie serikali gukora obutuki kubwatikana no roboti robete rogosoki gobene mi county ya Kisii nabigo abamenyikorwa sense meli yabo ya kumwebunge ya bonchali mi county ya Kisii nigo bagendete gutwara omuchando wichinda ase ababwatani ababuli gwesoki asobunge gukora omuchando yu mancho mulinyira sinsemo chiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonya wetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonya wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke Litariane Fridah Kerubo na sensemeli ya kabere ya studio ni otokobwatenere Abigail Nyanchama tubatse gusikatoba basakanyegera kwirana ndasegekeke Kerubo sio elinde ngomanye amange Hingo chaka Amayia Ibere bigani gongo chakireme kaunti ya Kisii asengo kumanyibuna nigo omunyakirugo bw'abantu bale no barema ime kaunti ya Kisii Ntabo abuliriye serikali gukora obutuki kubwatikana no roboti roba rogosokibwa anigago chamagiga yo roboti gosokibwa asiba bete bakoene kibuna nigo chikadi gwesabantu bali babete bakwelikia ngambale no barema roboti ruwabo rotali orikirano kwene nigo aboliye serikali gwesana nigati ase abolire kumanya naki serikali kaunti ya Kisii yabetege kwenyorera chikadi cy'abantu bale no bolema
igore mbenge sabe serikali the national government kubwatekana na DCI bakorobo unguri ngikiabete KTRH bakorobo unguri ngikiabete obisi ya director of health bakorobo unguri ngikiabete obisi ya national council aiga Kisii county obisi ya rugito baungurie batebe ngaki mwaka kyoga abantu bakorera registration na ende nkobori musiko arati kwareka nengano maremure kwa ungoiri kwanyerera n'abantu mbareo bari fake bari 5600 kwanyerera abantu mbareo fake 100 babwato barema ese serikali yawo wachakira lakini tindaranga noro maremu muno kulika abantu babwato barema togo cyase chisi cyawo ondetayo bwato barema togo cyase chisiyo cyawo abantu mbareo bayito babwato barema bakora kianda chi interview cyaeta ondetayo kwaeta nono yomo wana toko boliga osenchengo boli obuno mukiongozi wa mafukisi ingiga kogera abantu abayiga ondo mataetwe
abamenyi korwa sensemo ya bugia kumu iyo gotoka imeye bunge ya bonchari county ya Kisii nigo babwate omuchando wichinda nigo abetega kwenekigwa magaya borkigwa korwa sensemo ya Equip Africa obatalita chinseme cyo nabigo korwa obokonye kurende abamenyi benseme yo nigo besokire na kubuli ababwatani wesokia ase okubakonya gukora omuchando yo
Nasema ni asante, mnakuja kutusaidia mtawavaa dawa. Nashukuru. Kwa tunasumbuka hiyo dudu inakuwa natusumbua sana.
Kama vile nyumba inaonekana iko chafu, wao wenyewe hawaogi vizuri na vile vitu ambao wanatumia kwa kulala hawasafisi hiyo vitu. Yote ndio yanachangia hiyo nini wadudu kuingia katika mireni mwao.
So we treat them and then from there we educate them on what they're supposed to do so that they can control the problem. Number one, of course, are things that can help them to maintain their personal hygiene, like, they need the soap. Some of them they don't have. And another bigger challenge, most of them are saying, they don't have enough food. And if someone does not have enough food, that is going to affect them, even their health.
Abarai bechi dini kuru anene monokuru ase dini yege Islamu kuru ase nsemo ya Malindi me county ya Kilifi nigo beso kirebene nabo igokogo serelia kurubikana kubwatikana no guchika kwa betego kurugwa nikigambiro ekenene igoro yengana ya LGBTQ kolende engane yoni gogendete koleta liberera mono asenseito ya Kenya ase abarai babere bagweso kenabo igokogikiria engane yo.
Sisi kama jamii ya Kiislamu na viongozi wa kidini tunakemea vikali sana swala hili la LGBTQ ambalo sasa hivi linaendelea na linafanyiwa kampeni kupitishwa katika taifa letu la Kenya.
We can't allow that. We Christian Church in Western Kenya, we condemn this ruling which can allow this behavior in our country. That people of same sex can marry each other. We as a church and Kenyan citizen have a right and duty to defend our moral values and to allow laws that can guide our society on the right direction.
Because in the courts, the court, they only base their judgment on legal foundations, but they don't base it on morality. And therefore, they cannot decide or issues to do with institutions like marriage, family, or nation.
Jambo hili linaleta aibu kwa sababu kama sisi ni 85% ya Wakristo, jambo hili linaleta aibu. Lazima tuamuke kama Wakristo na lazima tukatae kwa sababu generation yetu ndio tunapigania. Watoto wetu sisi hatujipigania saa hii maana tuko katika hiyo laini, lakini tunapigania watoto wetu.
Chingaki enseyonsi egendete gochengera litko lia basubati county ya Homa Bay nero nigo egendete no murubelio ase university ya Tom Mboya. Mugavana we county yo Gladys Wanga nigo abagakora umurubelio ase arule obosemia gochia ase abasubati anemono ase ekirenga kya yekenene kyo gukora chisegi chegenka.
Asante sana na leo tuko hapa Tomboya kuidhinisha siku ya International Women's Day, na vile umesema la tano, kwa ukweli Homa Bay tuko na changamoto nyingi ya kuhusiana na gender based violence, mambo ya mimba za mapema kwa vijana wetu wasichana, tuko na mambo hii, changamoto hii ambayo inatukumba kama uongozi. Na leo tumekuja kama kina mama pamoja kujadili pamoja ni vipi tunaweza kukumbana na mambo haya. Kwanza lazima tukubali kwamba tuko na shida. Lazima tuongelee mambo haya. Lazima tujadiliane kama kina mama ni nini tunaweza fanya kwa watoto wetu wasichana, kwa sababu leo kina mama wako hapa maelfu na maelfu kwa sababu wanataka kuzungumzia haya maswala, tuone vile pamoja tunaweza enda mbele. Na sisi kama serikali ya county ya Homa Bay tunatilia mkazo mambo ya kuzungumzia wazazi wetu, mambo ya kupeana afya, our healthcare system, kuiangalia vizuri, mambo ya kuangalia mambo ya our community health volunteers pale mashinani, waangalie vile wanaweza kupass the messages to our people. Lakini hii hatuwezi jadili bila wanaume wetu, pia hatuwezi jadili bila our security sector waingilie, kwa sababu kuna yale ambayo mtu akishapatikana kwamba amedhulumu msichana mdogo, security agencies lazima wachukue hatua.
Abagwatani kurwase sekta yekisemi nigo bagendete koerera emichando bagwetera ase ogwikirani omurobelio OCBC anene mono asensemo ya junior secondary bosangani go bane kibuna asensemo ya borkia nigo bataisaini asibabolia sekta yekisemi kubwatana no buteneliobo obwatrana ase okoimoki egetambukiro kebwenerete.
Some of the challenges that are bedeviling the junior secondary that was domiciled in primary schools, as had been said by the Secretary General Kuppet, is the biggest challenge is human resource. The teachers who are posted to junior secondary schools were 1 per school and 1 teacher to teach 14 subjects. For the big schools, they managed to get 2. But even the posting of those 2, it was Kiswahili, Geography, Kiswahili, CRE. How is this person going to teach physics? This teacher going to teach chemistry? The learning areas are 14 and cannot be taught by 1 teacher. And therefore, the government must move with speed to ensure that human resource, especially the teachers, are adequate, in fact, to at least 9 if junior secondary and CBC is to see the light of day.
Ababwatani aoni gobeso kiri ime county ya Meru eliokorwa obasemia igoro yobobebu gusara omwana omunyaruka kinga kiekyo boigoni go bakwanera buna nigo abanyaruka bange babere bakonyora amalito agenkyo ase bakolire obutukina boigo kwene kibuna nigo omuchando yo okoletwa kubwatikana nobutaka ase kinga kyabo.
In Meru County, the return of FGM is really disheartening, and one of the things we'll be seeking to find out as we continue our work is what are the contributing factors to this rampant increase, and what can we do as an organization to see that we manage and go back to a good place where Meru was, where FGM had been almost fully eradicated and cases of teenage pregnancy were not as high.
Watoto wa kike wana shida. Angalia mambo ya sanitary towels. Kule nyumbani wengine hawapati. Kwa hivyo yeye akipata mwanya tu kidogo wa kupata mapeni, hajali ya mapeni yanatoka wapi. Sasa pale utakuta ya kwamba ana ujauzito na hata labda maradhi kama HIV, gonorrhea, kaswende na mengine kama yale tayari ashayapata. Kwa hivyo tunaomba mashirika mengine yamwangalie mtoto wa kike.
Unajua mambo ya tohara kwa watoto wa kike ni mila za kikabila, na Wameru mila hii ilikuwepo kama mojawapo ya mila zao kwa watoto wa kike, na wengi wanachukua muda kuziwacha na inategemea. Kwa hiyo kuna haja sana ya kuwaeleza watu wale bado wako, na mimi nafurahi kuwa
kubwatikana nobutuki bwabere bogokorekana ime county ya Migori nigo bwene kiribuna nigo amalito agenkyo abere kagokiana kubwatikana no roboti korwa ase sector yobochenu nigo rokoro kibuna inse mitinyi 5 nomo nigo abakonyora amalito agenkyo babere bagokiana korwa ase kerengo gimerongebere nukta Isano na Sato igoro yemia waika ekerengo gia 19 nukta Isano na Sato igoro yemia.
So we've done that. We've already done.
So what we've learned in the last 6 months, that is July to December, is that in terms of adolescent pregnancy, we have had a consistent decline. At the moment, we are at 19.8%. Though also when you look at HIV, the HIV positivity is still increasing. We are about at 1.1%. But it's because we are having now targeted testing where we look at the who are most at risk, the young people. That's when we take the testing, and also including the partner involvement.
We are still encouraging the teamwork so that we move together with them by engaging them in these forums so that they get enlightened on the reports we have so far achieved from sub-counties. And from what we have seen, there are some counties which have already embraced that, and we find that the teenage pregnancy is going down.
Our country has now been reopened, and we are happy that our youth have been given an opportunity once more to participate in these physical activities, co-curricular activities, and
Omugavana we county ya Narok Patrick Olentutu nigo asioliri omorobilio bwa mache ase entunde ntangani ase omorobilio bagokwera chibesa bilione ya monukta isato gukwana nigo aene kibna chi ward chonsi emerongo etato nigo chirachi kwenyorera amache ase abaga kwene kibna nigo serikali ya county yo yabikire chi bilioni isato ase nsemo yomorobilio bwa mache.
So asante, nafikiri ile yote tuliahidi ilifanyika hapa. Mambo ya stima, mambo ya hapa slota, waiskulua na shida hapo ndani, parapara ndio hii maji imekuja. Asante sana watu wa hapa kwa kutunga mkono. Tutafanya kazi na nyinyi ili tuhakikishe Narok County imeenda mbele.
Hiyo pesa ambayo tumetenga ya maendeleo ni karibu bilioni 3. Na hiyo ni kwamba sisi tunataka kumaliza hizo projects within 4 months. Hizo projects zimeisha ili tuanze kubudget ya hizo
Umwanche muligereria korwa soro batioroni onaikire omweli obwa mangana magia asebire biga kulinde ngo gusaba basa gusuka basa konyegera chikoraga Chinsa 10 ayona mange ningo ya letra senchira yobwenye kulinde nyora Chinsa mochiche mitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwetra Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwetra Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwetra www.ndizitv.or Magech kamera soko ni kibina ebicha na boigo eliogiria gwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail. Editaria ne Fridah Kerubo kukuganiria obuligereria obuya.